hop back in and show you my eyeliner and mascara routine. We're going to use my favorite felt tipped liner, which is the Milani Eye-Tech Extreme Liner. I use that almost all the time if I'm not using my stamp liner. And sometimes I even use this for across the eye and then just stamp liner on the edges. But we're just going to use this today for our felt tip liner. I'm going to use my NYX Retractable Black and my NYX Slide On Glide On, definitely a Turn On Waterproof Extreme Shine eyeliner in white for my under eye lashes, lash line. And then I'm also going to go in with my YSL Beauty, the Shock Mascara. So let's do it. I always start with my upper waterline. I don't know why. I think because I fail at it so goodly. That's where I just like to stop. Or where I like to start. Okay. Now I'm going in with my white eyeliner on the bottom waterline. And I love to pair that, especially with a bright blue under eye. So really pretty. Next, we're gonna go in with our Eye-Tech eyeliner. This is really cool because it has like a super long applicator. Anything to compare it with? No. Anyway, just believe me, it's super long. It's like twice as long as the Kat Von D Trooper liner, which is weird, but it works. That's what matters. So that's the Shock Mascara from YSL Beauty. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini demo. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because my dogs will never stop barking and I'm just gonna talk over them. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!